morning, student. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 6, using the mouse, of your computer book, chapter 6, given on page number 42. In this chapter we are going to discuss about mouse, how to hold the mouse in action. All this point we will discuss in chapter 6. Now I will show you, this is mouse. Mouse is an input device that helps us you to give instructions to the computer by pointing and selecting icon or object. If you want to select or point icon or object on the desktop or in computer, for that we have to use mouse. Mouse क्या करता है, हमारी instructions देता है computer को, because it is an input device. With the help of mouse we are giving instruction to the computer. You can see here, this is a computer mouse. It look like a real mouse, but it is a computer mouse. Same way, it has a body and a long tail like a long wire, like a real mouse. How many buttons a mouse has? Mouse has 2 buttons and 1 scroll wheel. Mouse के 2 buttons and 1 scroll wheel होता है. I will show you. Name of the button of the mouse are left button, right button and scroll wheel. This is the left button of the mouse. Why we are saying it is a left button of the mouse? Because the button on the left side is called a left button. The button on the left side of the mouse is called a left button. This is the right button of the mouse, because the button on the right side is called a right button. The button on the right side of the mouse is called a right button. This is scroll wheel. You can see here, this is a scroll wheel, center part of the mouse. It is in the circle shape, that's why it is called a scroll wheel. I will show you all the button along with their wheel. Left button of the mouse, right button of the mouse and scroll wheel. Now I think all of you clear. Mouse has 2 buttons along with the 1 scroll wheel. Name of the buttons are left button, right button and scroll wheel. Types of mouse. Now we are going to discuss about different types of mouse. I will show you the name of the mouse along with their pictures. Types of mouse are wired mouse, wireless mouse, wired mouse and wireless mouse. This is wireless mouse. This is wireless mouse because a mouse without wire is known as wireless mouse. As we have discussed 2 types of mouse. One is your wireless mouse. A mouse without wire or cable is known as wireless mouse. This is wired mouse. A mouse along with wire or mouse with cable is known as wired mouse. A mouse has a long wire. Wired mouse has a long wire or cable, you can say that. Mouse is kept on the mouse pad. Mouse is kept on the mouse pad. It is a small flat pad on which mouse is kept. You can see here, this is a flat pad on which mouse is kept and moved so that the movement is smooth. If we keep our mouse on the mouse pad, it will move smoothly and work smoothly on our computer system. That's right, we have to keep our mouse on the mouse pad. This is mouse pad. Next, we are going to discuss how to hold the mouse. How to hold the mouse. You can see a mouse is held by a people. Mouse is held by a person. How to hold the mouse? Now I will tell you. Step 1. You have to follow the step to hold the mouse. Then you will do proper work with the help of mouse on your computer system. Step 1. Rest your palm on the mouse. Put your index finger on the left button. First finger of your hand, that is the index finger, you have to put on your left button. You can see here, this is your index finger. This is your index finger, you have to put on the left button. Never ever lift the mouse of the pad. आपको माउस पैड को कभी भी लिफ्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. Just keep your mouse on the mouse pad to work properly or smoothly on the system. Put your index finger on the left button. This is your index finger. To move the mouse pointer left or right, do not turn the mouse. Simply move the mouse on pad in the left or right direction. You have to just simply move the mouse in the left or right direction to move the mouse pointer. अगर आपको माउस से कुछ भी काम करना है, जस्ट आपको माउस को माउस पैड पे ही मूव करना है, लेफ्ट और राइट, जहाँ पे भी आपको उसका कर्सर, उसका पॉइंटर को मूव करना है. In which direction you want to move their mouse pointer, you have to move the mouse on the mouse pad. Don't lift the mouse of the pad. In this way you can hold your mouse. Put your index finger on the left button, middle finger on the right button, and hold the mouse with your palm. Rest of the mouse you have to hold with your palm. Now, as we have discussed different type of mouse, I will tell you again. A mouse can be of two types: wired mouse, mouse with wire. That is the wired mouse. A mouse without wire is known as wireless mouse. Mouse is kept on a mouse pad. Now we are going to discuss mouse in action. There are different action of the mouse we can perform with the help of mouse, like pointing, clicking, double clicking, dragging, drag and drop. There are the 5 action of the mouse. Name of the actions of the mouse are pointing, clicking, double clicking, dragging and drag and drop. These are the 5 different action of the mouse. First we are going to discuss pointing. When you focus the mouse pointer to any object on the desktop, it is called pointing. You can see in the picture also. जब भी आप माउस को क्या करते हो, व्हेन यू फोकस द पॉइंटर, जो माउस का पॉइंटर जब भी किसी आइकन पे क्या करते हो, फोकस करते हो टू एनी ऑब्जेक्ट ऑन द डेस्कटॉप, इट इज ऑल पॉइंटिंग. जैसे ही मैं माउस का कर्सर किसी आइकन पे लेके जाती हूँ डेस्कटॉप पे, तो वो आइकन किस में आ जाता है, फोकस में आ जाता है, हाईलाइट हो जाता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड पॉइंटिंग. कि आपने किसी पे भी कर्सर को पुट किया है, किसी भी आइकन पे फोकस में लिया है टू हाईलाइट दैट आइकन, फॉर दैट इज नोन एज pointing. Next we are going to discuss clicking. When you press any mouse button once, it make a click sound. जब भी हम माउस के बटन को once प्रेस करते हैं, एक टाइम प्रेस करते हैं लेफ्ट माउस बटन को, that is known as clicking. It actually select an icon. It makes the computer understand that is an input. That is an input. When you put your index finger on the left mouse button and just you have pressed one, that is called a clicking. It make a click sound. जब हम एक बार माउस के बटन को एक बार प्रेस करते हैं, that is known as clicking and it make a click sound. और कैसी साउंड आती है जब हम माउस को एक बार प्रेस करते हैं, click sound. It select an icon. जब भी हम सिंगल क्लिक करते हैं तो उससे हमारा आइटम या ऑब्जेक्ट जो भी होता है सेलेक्ट हो जाता है। आइटम या प्रोग्राम को सेलेक्ट करने के लिए हम सिंगल क्लिक करते हैं। नाउ हाउ टू क्लिक द माउस? सी हियर, स्टेप्स आर गिवन ओवर देयर। टू क्लिक द माउस, move the mouse pointer to any object on the desktop. You have to move the mouse pointer to any object on the desktop. Press and release the mouse button. First you have to press the mouse button, then release the mouse button without lifting your index button, without lifting your index finger. First you have to press and release the mouse button without lifting your index finger. The object is selected. If you want to select any object, you have to once click the mouse button with the help of index finger. अगर किसी माउस के अब किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को आपको डेस्कटॉप पे सेलेक्ट करना है तो हाउ मेनी क्लिक वी हैव टू डू? सिंगल क्लिक, और दैट इज कॉल्ड क्लिकिंग। इन वंस क्लिक वी कैन सेलेक्ट द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑन द डेस्कटॉप। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज योर डबल क्लिकिंग। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डबल क्लिकिंग? With the name it's indicate 2 times when we click. Double click, press the left mouse button twice without stopping and then release it. जब हम किसी भी जब हम लेफ्ट माउस बटन को ट्वाइस प्रेस करते हैं विदाउट स्टॉपिंग एंड देन रिलीजिंग इट, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ डबल क्लिकिंग। जब आप माउस बटन को 2 टाइम क्विकली प्रेस करते हो विदाउट रिलीजिंग द माउस बटन, और यू कैन से दैट विदाउट स्टॉपिंग एंड देन रिलीज इट, आप क्विकली माउस बटन को 2 टाइम प्रेस करते हो, दैट इज नोन एज डबल क्लिकिंग। दिस इज यूज्ड टू ओपन अ प्रोग्राम। अगर आपको किसी भी प्रोग्राम को ओपन करना है, फॉर दैट वी हैव टू डबल क्लिक ऑन दैट। फॉर विद द डबल क्लिक वी कैन ओपन अ प्रोग्राम। सिंगल क्लिक से तो हम प्रोग्राम को सेलेक्ट करते हैं एंड डबल क्लिक से क्या करते हैं? प्रोग्राम को ओपन करते हैं। अगर आपको किसी भी फाइल को ओपन करना है, फॉर दैट यू हैव टू प्रेस डबल क्लिक। डबल क्लिक से हमारा प्रोग्राम क्या होता है? ओपन होता है, एंड सिंगल क्लिक से क्या होता है? हमारा आइकन सिलेक्ट होता है। सिंगल क्लिक टू सेलेक्ट एन आइकन, डबल क्लिक टू ओपन अ प्रोग्राम। नाउ next section of the mouse is dragging. Next section of the mouse is dragging. Dragging, what is the meaning of dragging? When you are pressing the mouse button without releasing it, जब आप माउस का बटन को प्रेस करते हो बिना रिलीज किए and moving it left, right, up or down, it is called dragging. जब आप माउस के बटन को होल्ड कर लेते हो और उसको ऑल डायरेक्शन में, किसी भी डायरेक्शन में उसको मूव करते हो, इधर लेफ्ट, राइट, अप और डाउन, विदाउट रिलीजिंग इट, व्हेन यू आर मूविंग द माउस बाय होल्डिंग द लेफ्ट माउस बटन विदाउट रिलीजिंग इट, you are moving in left, right, up, down direction, it is called dragging. That is called a dragging. Dragging is used to draw line or other shape. Dragging हम किस लिए यूज करते हैं? जब भी आपको कोई लाइन या अदर शेप ड्रॉ करनी हो, फॉर दैट वी आर यूजिंग ड्रैगिंग। जैसे हम MS पेंट में लाइक आपको लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है या सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है, यू आर होल्डिंग, फर्स्ट यू आर सेलेक्टिंग द शेप, देन यू आर होल्डिंग दैट शेप विदाउट रिलीजिंग द माउस बटन to draw a shape on the drawing area, that is known as dragging. To draw a shape or a line on the document area or drawing area, wherever you want to draw your picture. Next section of the mouse is drag and drop. Drag and drop. With the name it's indicate, first you have to drag the item, then you have to drop somewhere else. That is known as drag and drop. Now in simple I will tell you what is the meaning of drag and drop. Drag and drop means to select an item and move it from one position to another. पहले इसको क्या करते हैं? Drag and drop means to select. पहले एक आइटम को आप सेलेक्ट करते हैं, then move it from one position to another. जैसे किसी भी आइकन को अगर डेस्कटॉप से आपको मूव करना है फ्रॉम लेफ्ट पोजीशन टू राइट पोजीशन, फॉर दैट वी आर यूजिंग ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप। ठीक है, अगर अपना आइकन आपने सेलेक्ट किया है डेस्कटॉप से, नाउ यू वांट टू मूव दैट आइकन ऑन द राइट साइड, अर्लियर इट वाज इन लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द डेस्कटॉप, नाउ यू वांट टू मूव इट इन द राइट साइड, दैट इज नोन एज ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप, बिकॉज वी आर सेलेक्टिंग एन आइटम एंड मूव इट फ्रॉम वन पोजिशन टू another position is object or icon that you want to move. जिस भी icon को आपको move करना है, first you have to point the mouse pointer to that object. Like मुझे इस icon को move करना है from left to right. First you have to point the mouse pointer to that object or icon that you want to move. Press and hold the left mouse button. आप इसको press करोगे, left mouse button से इस पे click करोगे to hold that icon. Drag the mouse to a new लोकेशन. अपने माउस से इसको क्या करोगे, होल्ड कर रखा है आपने उसको, देन ड्रैग द माउस टू अ न्यू लोकेशन. ड्रॉप द ऑब्जेक्ट बाय रिलीजिंग द माउस बटन. ड्रॉप द ऑब्जेक्ट टू रिलीज टू द माउस बटन. यू कैन सी हियर इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो. आई हैव सेलेक्ट द फर्स्ट यू हैव टू पॉइंट द माउस पॉइंटर, then you have to select the press and hold the mouse button, drag the mouse to a new location. You can see here I have moved to new location. Drop the object by releasing the mouse button. Then you have to drop the object, then object will move to a new location on that desktop area. In this way you can perform drag and drop. Drag and drop means first you have to select the किसी भी item को आप select करोगे and move it to new location or position on the desktop area. That is known as drag and drop. Next we are going to discuss the back exercise of the chapter 6. Now if you open your page number 46 of your book, Brain Builders. First question of the back exercise, name the following mouse action. Name the following mouse action. Before that we have to discuss chapter 6, page number 46. Activity time. Identify the parts of your right hand and name the part of your hand which will be used for the following action. आपको क्या करना है, identify the part of your right hand. First you have to identify the parts of your right hand and name the part of your hand. You have to give the answer from your part of your hand, right hand, which will be used for the following action. Now, first part of the first question is clicking or double clicking. Clicking and double clicking, for that we are using which finger? This is your index finger. For clicking or double clicking, we are using index finger. So, answer of the first part is index finger. You have to write. You can see here spelling is given over there. This is your index finger. With the index finger we are holding a left mouse button. For clicking and double clicking we are using index finger of our right hand. To hold the mouse, with heel of hand, we are holding the rest of the mouse with heel of hand. You can see here heel of hand is written over there. Answer you have to write here heel of hand. Now this is a index. You have to write in the first. Second answer is here. First answer is here index. Second is your heel of hand. Now to click the right mouse button, which finger we have to use? Middle finger. To click on the right mouse button we have to use middle finger. Third answer is your middle finger. Third answer is your middle finger. You have to write in there. C part. Next question is here. Follow the path to build a computer. You must collect all the hardware parts and you can also go back after picking up a part. You have to select the part of your computer with the help of this puzzle. Path a build to a computer. Collect all the hardware parts and you can also go back after picking a part to build a computer to solve this puzzle. Next is your Brain Builder, page number 47. Next we are going to discuss page number 47. Name the following mouse section. You have to write the name of the mouse section in the following answer. Pressing and releasing the mouse button once. Which action we are using for pressing the mouse button once? Pressing and releasing the mouse button. When we are pressing the mouse button once is called as clicking. So answer of the first question is here clicking. You have to write here in the given blank clicking. Taking the mouse pointer to any object on the monitor for action. When we are taking the mouse pointer to any object on the desktop, that is known as pointing. As we have discussed now, action of the mouse, different action of the mouse we have discussed now. When we focus the mouse pointer to any object on the desktop, it is called pointing. In the same way, taking the mouse pointer, जब हम mouse pointer को किसी object पे लेके जाते हैं monitor पे for action के लिए, that is known as pointing. Next question is moving the mouse without releasing the mouse button. When we are moving the mouse without releasing the left mouse button of the left mouse button, that is known as dragging. When जब हम mouse को move करते हैं without releasing the left mouse button, that is known as dragging. You have to write in the third answer dragging here. See, all the answer are given here also in the help box. Next, D part. Clicking the mouse button twice quickly. जब हम mouse button को twice press करते हैं, that is known as double clicking. That is known as double clicking. You have to write here double clicking. Select the object and move it to another location. When we are selecting any object on the desktop and move it to another location or new location, that is known as drag and drop. Now, next question we are going to discuss, question number 2 of page number 47. Given below are few statements about computer mouse. Tick the correct answer and cross the wrong statement. Whatever the answer is true, you have to put a tick in the block. Otherwise, you have to put the cross in the wrong statement. Now, first answer of the first question of the second question of the first part is we can lift the mouse from the pad while clicking. No. हमें माउस को क्या लिफ्ट करना चाहिए जब हम माउस को क्लिक करते हैं? नो, एज वी हैव डिस्कस इन द माउस पैड टॉपिक ऑल्सो, सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर फॉल्स. हमें कभी भी माउस को लिफ्ट नहीं करना चाहिए जब हम माउस को क्लिक करते हैं. जस्ट यू हैव टू मूव माउस ऑन द माउस पैड इन लेफ्ट और राइट डायरेक्शन. सो आंसर ऑफ द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज हियर क्रॉस. यू हैव टू राइट हियर फॉल्स और क्रॉस. पुट अ क्रॉस हियर. Pointer moves in the same direction as in which we move the mouse on the pad. Yes, pointer is also move in the same direction. जहाँ पे भी हम mouse को move करते हैं, हमारा mouse pointer भी उसी direction में move करता है. If I am moving my mouse in the right, then my mouse pointer moves toward right. If I am moving the mouse toward left, then my mouse moves towards left. So answer of this second part is true. You have to write here, put here tick mark. Mouse should be used on the mouse pad. Yes, mouse को हमें किस पे रखना चाहिए and use करना चाहिए? Mouse should be kept on a mouse pad or mouse should be used on the mouse pad. So answer of this C part is true. We use left mouse button very often. हम generally कौन सा बटन यूज करते हैं माउस का? Left mouse button. So answer is tick. You have true. That is true statement. You have to put here tick mark. Mouse is not attached with the CPU. He is saying mouse attached नहीं होता CPU से. False. Mouse is attached, not attached with the CPU. Mouse is attached with the CPU. So answer is here false. The shape of the computer mouse look like a real mouse. जो हमारा कंप्यूटर माउस होता है वो हमारे रियल माउस की तरह लगता है ना. So answer of this F part is true. This statement is true. So you have to write or put a tick mark in this block. Clicking the left mouse button, close the program. जब हम लेफ्ट माउस बटन पे क्लिक करते हैं तो हमारे प्रोग्राम को वो क्या क्लोज कर देता है? नो, लेफ्ट माउस बटन इज यूज टू सेलेक्ट एन आइकन और प्रोग्राम. अगर किसी भी आइकन या प्रोग्राम को सेलेक्ट करना है, देन वी आर जस्ट प्रेसिंग द लेफ्ट माउस बटन ऑन दैट आइकन. सो आंसर ऑफ द जी पार्ट इज, this statement is false. You have to put a cross in this block. Now I think all of you clear the exercise which we have discussed in the chapter 6 of your book. Now you have to read the chapter thoroughly from your book. Thank you class. Rest of the topic we are going to discuss in your next class. Okay.